Your car might be warning you right now, and you don't even realize it. A failing fuel pump can make your engine sputter, stall in traffic, or even leave you stranded on the highway. Ignore the early signs, and a $500 repair can snowball into an $8,000 engine replacement. In this video, I'll reveal the 12 bad fuel pump symptoms every driver needs to know, so you can catch the problem before it destroys your car. Symptom 1. Engine sputtering. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, you see a slow car ahead, and as you press the gas to overtake, your engine suddenly sputters and jerks. Just as quickly as it started, the problem disappears, so you keep driving like nothing happened. Most drivers brush this off, but that's a costly mistake. Engine sputtering is one of the very first signs that your fuel pump may be failing, because it means the engine isn't getting a steady supply of fuel under load. A healthy pump delivers constant pressure, but when the internal components wear out, the supply becomes inconsistent. The harder you push your car, like accelerating, climbing a hill, or towing, the more obvious the sputter becomes. Now, it's true that sputtering can also be caused by spark plugs, clogged injectors, or even a dirty air filter, but when it mostly happens during hard acceleration, chances are your fuel pump is struggling to keep up. Ignore it, and that small hiccup can turn into full-on power loss, repeated stalling, and even catastrophic engine damage. Symptom 2. Excessive whining. Normally, your fuel pump runs silently in the background, tucked away in the fuel tank where you'll never hear it. But when it begins to fail, you'll notice a loud whining, buzzing, or humming sound coming from the rear of the car. This happens when the impeller or rotor inside the pump wears out, creating extra clearance and forcing the pump to strain to keep up. At this stage, it might still be moving fuel, but it's working harder than it should, and the noise is your warning sign. Ignore it, and the pump can overheat, seize, or stop working altogether, leaving you with a car that refuses to start. A whining pump isn't just annoying background noise, it's a countdown to total failure. Symptom 3. Car won't start. One of the most obvious signs of a bad fuel pump is when your car simply won't start. You turn the key, the engine cranks, but it never fires up because no fuel is reaching the combustion chamber. Sometimes the car might start and then immediately shut off again. While no start conditions can also be caused by dead batteries, bad starters, or faulty spark plugs, a silent fuel tank is a big clue. Normally, you should hear a faint buzzing sound when the pump primes itself as the key turns on. If there's no sound at all, your pump may be completely dead. Without fuel delivery, your engine is just spinning air, and no amount of cranking will get it running. Symptom 4. Sudden power loss. Imagine pressing the gas pedal to accelerate, and instead of surging forward, your car crawls like it's towing a heavy trailer. This is a classic sign of a fuel pump that can't maintain the proper pressure. At low RPMs, the engine might still run fine, but when you demand more fuel, during acceleration, climbing hills, or towing, the weak pump just can't keep up. The result is a sudden loss of power that only recovers when you ease off the gas. It feels frustrating and unsafe, and it's your car telling you the pump is on its last legs. Left untreated, that hesitation will turn into stalling or total shutdown. Symptom 5. Engine stalling. Few things are more dangerous than your car suddenly stalling in traffic. A failing fuel pump can cut fuel delivery without warning, shutting the engine down instantly. Sometimes it happens at stoplights, but often it strikes while cruising at steady speeds, even on the highway. The brushes inside the pump's electric motor wear down, or the wiring overheats, and fuel flow becomes erratic. That unpredictability makes stalling one of the most alarming symptoms. Statistics show that thousands of accidents every year are caused by stalled or disabled vehicles. If your car stalls more than once without a clear reason, suspect the fuel pump before it strands you completely. Symptom 6. Engine surges. While most failing pumps starve the engine of fuel, sometimes the opposite happens. A bad pump can suddenly send too much fuel, causing the engine to surge forward unexpectedly. It feels like your car is jerking ahead on its own, which can be both startling and dangerous in traffic. This happens because the pump's internal pressure regulator is no longer working properly, letting fuel flood the system. Surging isn't just uncomfortable, it's risky, because the sudden burst of power can throw you off balance or make you lose control in tight situations. If your car lunges forward for no reason, don't ignore it. Symptom 7. Poor fuel economy. If you notice your gas mileage dropping for no clear reason, your fuel pump could be the culprit. A weak or failing pump can prevent injectors from atomizing fuel properly, leading to incomplete combustion. That wasted fuel doesn't power the car. It just burns inefficiently, costing you more at the pump. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, fuel system issues can cut efficiency by 10 to 20%, which adds up to hundreds of dollars a year. Poor fuel economy isn't always the pump. It could be tire pressure, filters, or driving habits. But combined with other symptoms, it's another warning your pump may be dying. Symptom 8. Engine overheating. Fuel pumps don't just deliver gas. They help the engine run at the right temperature. When a pump doesn't provide enough fuel, the engine runs lean, meaning there's more air than gas in the mixture. Lean mixtures burn hotter and longer, which keeps the combustion chamber overheated. If ignored, this heat can cause pre-ignition, melted pistons, or even catastrophic engine failure. Drivers may first notice the temperature gauge creeping up more often than normal. Overheating linked to poor fuel supply is one of the most destructive outcomes of a bad pump, often turning a small repair into a full engine replacement. Symptom 9. Check engine light. That glowing check engine light is easy to ignore, but it could be your first electronic warning of a bad fuel pump. Modern cars log error codes when fuel pressure or delivery is outside normal range. Codes like P0171 or P0174 mean the engine is running lean, while P0230 or P0627 indicate pump circuit issues. Many drivers delay checking the light out of fear of costly repairs, but catching the problem early can save thousands. A $40 OBD2 scanner can tell you right away if fuel delivery is the issue. Ignoring the warning light, on the other hand, lets the damage spread. Symptom 10. Engine misfires. If you've ever felt your car shake, stumble, or jerk while driving, you may have experienced an engine misfire. A failing fuel pump often delivers fuel inconsistently, causing cylinders to misfire because they're not getting enough fuel to ignite properly. The car may idle roughly, lose power, or trigger a flashing check engine light. This isn't just a nuisance. Driving with misfires can damage the catalytic converter, a repair that can cost $2,000 or more. If your car starts misfiring alongside other fuel pump symptoms, it's time to act fast before the damage spreads further. Symptom 11. Delayed acceleration. Pressing the gas pedal should deliver instant response, but a failing fuel pump can create a dangerous lag. Instead of surging forward, the car hesitates, leaving you stuck in traffic or exposed when trying to overtake. This happens because the pump isn't supplying fuel quickly enough to match throttle demand. It's one of the most common driver complaints, and while it could also be caused by clogged filters or software glitches, a weak fuel pump is a prime suspect. Throttle lag is more than frustrating. It's unsafe, especially in emergencies. Don't ignore it if your car starts dragging its feet. Symptom 12. Trouble starting when warm. Sometimes a failing pump shows itself only after short stops. Imagine filling your tank or running errands, and when you return, the engine cranks but refuses to start. Yet after cooling down, it starts again. Heat increases resistance in the pump's motor, and when it's already worn, it struggles to deliver fuel until temperatures drop. This hot start problem is one of the clearest signs the pump is near the end of its life. If your car only refuses to start when warm, it's often the pump, not the fuel itself, that's to blame. If you noticed any of these symptoms in your own car, don't ignore them. Your fuel pump may be running out of time. Catching it early can save you thousands in repairs. Have you ever stopped for gas, grabbed a coffee, and come back to a car that just cranks but won't start? Then, a few minutes later, once it cools down, it fires right up like nothing ever happened. That's one of the clearest warning signs of a failing fuel pump. Here's what's happening. As your car runs, heat builds up in the fuel tank and the pump itself. When the pump's internal motor or wiring is worn out, that extra heat increases electrical resistance. The pump can't generate enough pressure to deliver fuel to the engine, so when you try to restart, there's not enough fuel flow for ignition. Once the pump cools down, resistance drops and it works again, temporarily. This hot start issue often fools drivers into thinking it's a weak battery, bad starter, or vapor lock. But if it only happens after short stops or when the engine is warm, the fuel pump is the real suspect. Ignoring this symptom can leave you stranded at the worst time. A pump that struggles when hot is already close to complete failure. Replacing it early can save you from a costly tow and major repair bill later. Now, if you want to learn more simple tips to keep your engine running strong and your car lasting longer, click the video on your screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe, because the next problem we're exposing could save you from a roadside breakdown.